Don't forget to subscribe. Dora the Explorer. Dora's Underwater Voyage. One day, Dora and Boots were playing at the beach. Suddenly, a wave splashed against Dora. Her bracelet fell off and floated away into the ocean. "Oh no," said Dora. "My bracelet was a present from my mommy and papi. I have to get it back." "How will we find your bracelet?" asked Boots. "The ocean is so big and your bracelet is so small." Thought Dora. Who helps us when we don't know where to go? "Map!" Dora and Boots called. Map popped out of backpack's side pocket. "I can tell you where the bracelet is," said Map. "It's at the sunken ship. First, you have to go through the seaweed gate, then past the clams, and that's how you'll get to the sunken ship to find the bracelet." "Gracias, Map," Dora said. "Do you see something we can use to take us deep into the ocean?" asked Dora. Boots looked around. "I see a submarine," he shouted. "It can take us underwater." "Great idea," said Dora. They dragged the submarine to the water, opened the hatch, and climbed inside. As the submarine slowly traveled toward the ocean floor, a seahorse appeared. "Hola," said the seahorse. "Where are you going?" "We're looking for the sunken ship to find my bracelet," Dora explained. "Oh," said the seahorse. "To get there, you'll need to know the secret word, so remember this. To open things along your way, just say the Spanish word. Abre, abre, open." Dora and Boots thanked the seahorse and continued on their way. "There's the seaweed gate," Boots shouted, "but it's closed. How will we get through so we can get to the sunken ship?" "I'll try doing what the seahorse told us to do," Dora said. "Abre puerta." The seaweed gate opened and they traveled through it and out the other side. "Where do we go next?" asked Boots. "Seaweed gate, clams, sunken ship," said Dora. "We went through the seaweed gate, so the clams are next. Do you see the clams?" But all of a sudden, whales swallowed the submarine. "Oh no!" cried Dora. "How will we get to the sunken ship to find my bracelet?" "Open, whale!" shouted Boots, but the whale didn't open. "Remember what the seahorse said Dora. "Abre Brianna!" yelled Dora and Boots. The whale opened its mouth, and Dora and Boots quickly drove the submarine back into the sea. Soon Dora and Boots arrived at the clams. They steered the submarine around the first clam, over the second clam, and past the third clam. But the fourth clam snapped down on the submarine. "We're trapped," called Dora, "but we know what to do to get this clam to open." "Abre ameja!" Dora and Boots called as loudly as they could. The clam heard them and opened up to set them free. "Phew, that was close," said Boots. "Come on, let's go find the bracelet." "There's the sunken ship," Boots cried. "How will we get inside?" "We'll have to open a window," replied Dora. "Abre ventana!" Dora and Boots shouted. The window opened, and the submarine dived through the window and into the ship. The ship was filled with sparkling, glimmering treasure. "Do you see my special bracelet?" Dora asked. Boots pointed at a barrel behind the biggest treasure chest. "There it is!" But out from behind a treasure chest popped Swiper the fox. "Uh-oh, Swiper will try to swipe your bracelet!" exclaimed Boots. Just in time, Dora and Boots yelled together. Swiper, no swiping. Oh man, Swiper groaned. Then he turned and swam away. Hooray, we stopped Swiper, said Boots. Now let's get your bracelet. Dora and Boots pushed some buttons in the submarine, and a giant claw popped out. The claw scooped up the bracelet and brought it over to the submarine. Now we have to get the claw to open so I can get my bracelet, said Dora. Abrigada, shouted Dora and Boots. The claw opened and dropped the bracelet into the submarine. I'm so happy to have my bracelet back, said Dora, putting the bracelet on her wrist. Just then the seahorse swam up next to the submarine. The seahorse said, Hooray, you did it! You found your way and rescued the bracelet by saying abre! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.